All right, starting our Disneyland vacation trip. We're checking into the Cambria, just around the block basically from Disneyland, walking into the front lobby. This place has a water park. So some heated pools. There's a small children's splash pool right over here. Don't have my wristband, so we can't walk through there immediately, but we'll go there a little bit later. Yeah, there's the children's splash pool. Pretty nice, relaxing area. They got a basketball hoop around the corner, some table tennis. They got a nice big bar area right here. Nice dining. There's all the elevators going up to the rooms, and right here in this room right there is the morning breakfast. So breakfast 6:30 to 9:30 and 10 on Saturday and Sunday. Now we're gonna head up to the room and check it out. Another thing I learned in my lesson is you need one of these cards to select a room floor. I tried to get in here without my room key, and it would only let me go to the lobby. I couldn't even write down from somebody else's floor, so make sure you bring your room key with you. Now we're heading down the wall right here on the left. Our room's going to be 306. It's one of the king suites. We do have a pool view. There's a bunch of munchy kids. So this is the little table area. We have a tiny little kitchen area with the fridge, microwave, sink, coffee maker, all that sort of stuff. This couch Wyatt's sitting on folds out into a bed. And we got our pool view right here, just like that. It's my lovely wife. So this can be shared between, multiple suites. Pretty decent little area. It's mostly just a bedroom. And then back into this direction, we have the king bed right here. Hi, Kaylee. Then we have these bunk beds with a trundle bed at the bottom. So we got 5 sleeping in this room. We have a little closet right here to the side. Again, another large window for the pool. And then we have one bathroom for the suite. So we got 2 different showers. There's one right here. There's a closable door for the toilet and a separate shower there. And then we have the little sink area. So we're going to be a little snug this time, but it's all right. It's a very clean hotel. Everything looks really clean. All the linens smell good. Everything's in good condition. Yeah, that's our hotel, the Cambria. Just down the road, you turn left at this light right here, right before the underpass. That'll take you directly to the straight to Disney Way. You'll pretty much drive directly into the Tower of Terror, or you know what I mean. Drive directly into the Galaxy, Guardians of the Galaxy.